It's the Grateful Dead Hour. I'm David Gans. Continuing our ongoing salute to the late great lyricist Robert Hunter, here's a bit of an interview I did with him in November 1977. I have to tell you, listening back to this tape was a deeply humbling experience. I was 24 years old and had been a music journalist for less than 2 years. I was passionate and knowledgeable about the music of the Grateful Dead, and Hunter was quite forthcoming in these interviews, excerpts of which you've heard in the weeks since his passing. As I listened back to this recording, I just about died of cringe. I hounded the man about various topics, and you can hear his exasperation as he tells me what I want to know.
Okay, Abraham and Isaac said, all right, I'll explain it to you. God, do you want the explanation? Okay, Abraham and Isaac. You know the story of Abraham and Isaac, and God commanded Abraham to sacrifice Isaac, and Abraham had some qualms about it, but then decided to do it. And as he raised his sword up to strike the child, an angel stopped the sword, and God was very pleased with this, or Jehovah was very pleased with this. And so now we have, in my song, Abraham and Isaac sitting on a fence. A fence is a space between two things. It's, the symbol of a dichotomy. What we need now is a third alternative, which in the song was a left-hand monkey wrench. We need a third alternative, and the third alternative is biblically presented by the angel stopping the sword, either to Moses refusing God's command or carrying it out and losing his dear son.
Ben a brigadete per audire il cazzo alla debuta si può ben che non auges da besu per carriera mai segues lu beal lu point entre li dui su do tiu pantai causies dura cosa bibim segues pura la redris lo mio amiche ti vo ben con l'escuta curadis venom mio casir passa passagir lo point entre li dui su do tiu destin Madonna a cheu de lume las vista belugar c'est le tueuil sous un caveuil l'aïsati pura devagar Barba Gracco Ontario ben tourna mai cantar en de la tomar un gran din la maiunda e a San Francisco fa de Grecin de maiun per lui enfant 1992 la leggenda comença plan Barba Ontario sai tornerà besai au poart entre li dui mun dociu pantai sai aqui sunt lui nostra amiche tui jagumai Lucio reflet Despi 1972 occasion blu sunt tui ensin din lo calabrun audilacius en de la daiautimar sunt en numerus riba Barba Ontario ben sur lo grand vele blanc Cina t'aspera en canissa din la maiunda e fan Giugna pura l'Ontario ben d'Alisa Monterey entra din la sua leggenda Denis Alisa Monterey
I heard this playing on the PA at a show in October, and the sound man hooked me up with a copy. It's a dialect spoken in parts of southern France. The artist is the Ontario Blues Band, and the album is called Trendtem, I think, released in 2002. We began with a clip of Robert Hunter explaining Greatest Story Ever Told to an annoying